Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled amidst the rolling hills, there lived a wise old monk named Koji. Known for his serene demeanor and profound wisdom, Koji was often sought out by villagers seeking guidance in navigating life's complexities. One day, a troubled young man named Takeshi approached Koji, burdened by the weight of his worries and anxieties. Takeshi poured out his heart, expressing his struggles with letting go of past mistakes and regrets that haunted him relentlessly. Listening attentively, Koji nodded gently, understanding Takeshi's plight. With a compassionate smile, he invited Takeshi to accompany him on a walk to a nearby cherry blossom grove. As they strolled beneath the delicate pink blooms, Koji paused and plucked a ripe cherry from a branch, holding it out to Takeshi. "Observe this cherry," Koji said softly. "In its ripeness, it clings to the branch, vibrant and full of life. But soon it will fall, gracefully surrendering to the cycle of nature." Takeshi watched as the cherry fell from Koji's hand, landing softly on the ground below. Koji continued, "Just as the cherry releases its grip on the branch when the time is right, so too must we learn to let go of what weighs us down." Takeshi pondered Koji's words, feeling a sense of clarity wash over him. In that moment, he realized that holding on to past regrets only hindered his ability to embrace the present moment and move forward with a lighter heart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.